package time. Let's see. I don't want to. Wow, this is so fun. Let's see. This is the girl who makes the molds. There's her info. Wow, she sent me a thing of washi tape. I love this stuff. Awesome. Some fun glitter. These are so cute. If you've never tried this candy, it is amazing. It's cute. There's some little decals. Oh, these are super cool. Love them. And we got some black holo glitter. Ooh, some purple stars. Another cute little sticker. These little mini bottle of beads. Okay, that was all fun little freebie items. Now let me open up the molds. Here it is, a new cross mold. So this is a pretty decent size. I have wanted this to be able to make it all different patterns and designs, so I'm really excited about this. She has her design on here, but you can see it's shiny on the inside. So I'm excited to try this out.